See, it is raining and these people are doing this. Both are mad. Both love rain. You like it? Are you sure you like it? You like it? I also like the rain, but I like to watch it like this. These people like to run into the rain and play. We are good. It's fun sometimes, not like this. I like to sit and enjoy like this. Like hot cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Feel will be next level amazing. Can you make me some hot coffee or hot chocolate? Sugar free. Alright, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Elon, I hope everyone is doing great, next level, great. Right now I'm super excited, as you can already see that. Reason being T-1. Tomorrow we're gonna leave for the trip, and that too for the first time we're gonna leave for this huge trip on the BMW. That is the reason I'm getting all this positive vibe. Also happy about one more thing, helmet update. Almost I've been crying in the last couple of videos about the helmets. Iska to glasses like totally effed up. You know what I did? I saw a stupid video on YouTube. No, it's not a stupid video, but I was stupid. If you have scratches on a visor, what you can do is you can take a 1500 grit sandpaper. You can sand all these scratches. You need to finish it off with a 3000 grit sandpaper. But the mistake I did was I did not find the 3000 grit sandpaper. So I had a 800 and a 1000. I used this too and completely ruined it like this. Totally effed up. It became smoggy and pretty useless. But safe side, I was not like stupid. Worst case scenario, I know that I have the AGV helmet as well, and also I was lucky enough to find this one. This is, and thanks to the store, they literally shipped it in one day. And now we have the new visor as well, which is pretty expensive visor. Comfort and more importantly safety, that is more important. Not saying AGV is bad, but I told you right, the fit is not fine right now. But oh yes, we finally got how beautiful the packaging is. It looks its worth. I mean, look at the visor. That's the Schubert's visor. Superbly packed in this kind of quality material. It's a nice separate bag for it, dude. But there is a problem. It's not a problem, but it's a dark smoke color. At least we don't have any scratches on it. And one more issue is there's no anti-fog visor inside. I thought 6,000 rupees may they even send the anti-fog visor, but no, you get only the glass. So let's fix this up and start the rest of the packing. It's pretty simple to install. Just put it over here and that's it. It looks very funny with this color. It doesn't go with this color. It's a matte gray color. This is a glossy black. Anyways, at least in the mornings we can close this. Now not only have protection from UV and strong sunlight by closing this, but you can have double protection by using this. Now if I close these two together, it's gonna look like it's literally dark. I mean, especially in climates like this, where we are riding in proper rainy season in monsoon. I'm gonna definitely have a task doing that. I'll just be using this Uparka visor and we should be good. Chalo, helmet sorted. Now let's start packing. Let's remove the top box and panniers. By the way, these are called packing cubes. You can find it on Amazon Basics. Pretty nice. I literally packed 20 t-shirts in it. Can you see it? 20 t-shirts and one jeans. It's another smaller packing cube. 2 more jeans, 1 pant and 1 shorts. And 1 track pant. And this is a much. This may put socks and inners. Even the shorts needs to go inside this. Apart from this toiletries bag. That's my iPad. Naisha left it here. I'm not gonna take this. It is recommended to travel as light as possible. I mean, looking at all of this, this is definitely not at all light, but we'll try our best. That's my jacket I'll be taking. These are some protein bars. Woolen balaclava, which I might not need, but let's keep it. This is a dry fit t-shirt that I'll be wearing tomorrow. My trimmer ka charger, electronic gadgets and all that stuff. Let's start packing. I'll not be taking this Rhinox bag. It's a very good bag. Definitely recommended if you have a metal tank. That's because it's a magnetic tank bag. I don't want to put this on a GS because firstly, I don't think this will stick on the GS tank. Second thing, doesn't matter how well it is engineered, how soft of a material they put under this, it will definitely put some scratches. So if you can take the extra effort to put some cloth between this, microfiber cloth, and do all that kind of jugaad, then it works. Otherwise, definitely you'll see some tiny scratches. Abhi to hamara GS is pretty new, so at least for 1 or 2 trips, I'll safeguard it like properly. After that, light. Seriously, don't have any idea how to pack. Amazing luggage space we have. Apart from this, we are also planning to carry, I'm not sure, maybe the Lone Rider 45-liter tail bag. All of this luggage is proper waterproof. This you can probably rely on. Even the Lone Rider bag is 100% waterproof. You can take my word for it. Usually when I travel, or any vlogger or a YouTuber travels, there are two very important things. You guys know that. One is the main camera. Second most important thing we can't live without is definitely the laptop. This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro. It used to comfortably fit in the Triumph's top box. But now Triumph's luggage system was definitely much better than the BMW's. I like the BMW Spaniards because they're huge. But the top box is kind of small. This doesn't fit. Like literally edge to edge. Literally, look at the left, look at the right side. Like literally edge to edge. Complication number 576. Maybe I'll put it like this in the panniers. Maybe like this. Yeah, like that. Obviously I can't put it naked like this. I'll have to use the laptop bag, which is... I'm putting the laptop in this laptop bag and put it like that on the side. Either pura I'll be packing it with something else. Obviously they shouldn't be moving like that. Alright, finally after literally 4 hours we are sorted. The ride anxiety has not yet started. Usse pehle packing anxiety started, but we are all good to go. I'm thinking a couple of things are still left here and there. I'm not taking the Lone Rider bag. This Jackass rain cover, yeah, seriously. I'm not taking the Lone Rider bag. I'm not even taking this tank bag, but I have another tank bag which I put it inside the panniers. I'm not going to carry this on the tank like I told you, because like I told you already, it's going to scratch. Though this tank bag comes with a proper velcro thing. This is the base that goes onto the tank and this doesn't move at all. I can directly stick the tank bag onto this. Anyways, I still need to figure out and get used to how to pack all my stuff into all these boxes, because right now everything is here and there. Some clothes are here, some clothes are here. There's a tape here, some protein bars here, camera bag over here. There are my shoes and my chappal. My tripod is literally inside the panniers. But this is not final. If I feel that I'll have to put the tank bag out of this box and put it on the tank properly, then maybe I'll change. We'll go with the flow. As of now, this is the setup. That's it, nothing else I'm taking. Few things I have to still put. I'm rendering a video right now. So laptop, mouse, AirPods, is that hub, that USB hub. The Sena is charging right now. All these things I'll dump into one of these boxes. Obviously helmet I'll have to take. And one more thing, yesterday after a lot of thinking since almost the last 1 month, finally I've decided to get the BMW gloves. But the problem is these are not like proper 100% waterproof gloves. 100% sure these are not at all waterproof, not even water resistant. I think these are actually adventure gloves, not even touring gloves. So we'll have nice breathability and all that. Main thing is they're very comfortable. It feels like a skin on your skin. There's nice protection over the knuckles, but no protection on the fingers and all that. So touring ke liye, they're not like 100% safe. But when you go into off-road and all that, which we might be going into, clutching and all that, you can have that feedback in your hands. If you wear thick gloves like the Triumph gloves, insulate gloves, which are really amazing when you go into proper cold weather, it'll properly protect you, but then you cannot feel the clutch, you cannot feel the throttle, you cannot feel the front brake. With this, you can properly feel everything. And now we don't need to worry about cold weather. We have heated grips. And I think for this trip, अच्छा खासा खर्चा हुआ. First service done, gloves we got the helmet's visor, but the pannier straps, that's what I remember. I think we are good now. So then I think this is it. We are ready to roll. I'll load all this onto the bike and we can hit the throttle and ride towards the north. Oh my. Once again to confirm, it's just 4 of us, me, Charan, Shiva and Chaitanya. We are going to have epic next level fun. I'll be taking you guys along with me, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free, dude. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.